Got idea, probably the weirdest corn bag ever. You feed the dog corn, you press the tone, and there you go, you save money. That's a crazy dog over here. Put the corn in, and it spins around, saving your money. That's hilarious. Got here another useless box. That's funny. So it has different type of moods. That's one way to distress or opposite stress. Some weird inventions you can find on internet. Got it here, next level mop. Put it in, wash it, then lift it, then dry it out, then lift it again, and it will dry back in. That is amazing. So once again, plug it in, wash your mop, lift it, you see it's wet, dry it out, then wait till it stops, then you lift it, and then you lock this in and mop the floor. This is your normal Firestarter. This is the world's largest Firestarter. It's totally unnecessary, but it is cool and very easy to start the fire with the just random grass. Look at that spark. That's amazing. Right here, 6-in-1 bit set. So the bits are hide on the top and it's magnetic. So whenever I pop it in, it also will spin. And whenever you need to replace a bit or be done with it, just put it back in, boom. Next I got right here tool clip that easily retracted. You just lift it and pull on it. Here's a quick example. You lock it in, let it be loose, then you want to push on that button and it will lift it out. Pretty easy to take in and out. I love it. Also I got right here fidget pen. You see fidget spinner right here, and that's how you retract the pen. Pretty cool. Got right here another Vantage pencil sharpener. Put it through and then you push it forward. Right here it mounts to the table and then it will grind up the pencil. You see how it's spinning the pencil and spinning the grinder. It does a really fine, quick job, and look how sharp and pointy that pencil is. That's so cool. Got it here, next level camping spork and a knife and a Firestarter. I never seen all three together. It's a high quality metal, really deep spoon, and whenever you put it all back together, it becomes pretty tall for cooking and stirring the deep pots. I love it. For the first gadget, got right here auto fishing grabber. Pretty crazy, right? So I guess you line it up and grab it. Next I got right here Gerber Fission Tether. There's a belt loop, very nice one, hooks up so it doesn't fall off. So you can easily get to your pliers or whatever to get the fish, get the hook, and that way you can retract it quickly and easy. And obviously you'll need a flashlight. There's a really good option for a lantern. There's a double lantern, and then there's like a little cone and a regular flashlight. Pretty awesome. They got 3 unusual gadgets for fishing. We got here pull start fire, the pull string Firestarter. Here's the instruction on the back of it, the green wire. That's what you wanna do to put it over some kind of log, just like that. Whoa! 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 Look at that! This burns well. Wow! This is so hot. Now I'm gonna put a couple more logs this way. Wow! This is insane. Full string Firestarter. Who would have thought it will work that well? This is the easiest way to split kindling. Put it in and smash it 4 ways. You see 4 pieces? This might be, just go one more time into half. That's plenty of good small enough kindling. This one maybe 4 more ways, or at least 3 more ways. Whatever you're comfortable with. That's about kindling you want to have, in my opinion. But whatever you want to do, and as small as you can get. You see, 4 ways. Take more than 4 ways right here. There you go, for sure. And again, if you want to just split this in half, make it a little smaller, no problem. Super easy. Another weird spider code knife design. This is a spider card, and it's meant to be, I guess, put in a wallet or in a pocket and not take too much space. And it's still pretty big, not too thick. As you can see, it's pretty easy to open and close. It says made by Spyderco, and there's a steel. Spyderco definitely makes a lot of very cool knife designs. That's definitely one of them. Here's here another very unique corn bend. Then you can spin the other way. Pretty fun way to save money. How do you open a can using concrete? On top of a concrete and rub it. So once you scraped a lot, all you gotta do is squeeze it. And you opened it. And here's the second one. You see how all the edges are coming out now? Boom! And guess what? Cat gonna survive too. This right here, most expensive axe on Amazon. I paid at the time $700. Look at these giant chunks coming out. It's nice. Sweet.